Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a keyboard that's been making waves for typists and gamers alike, the Gamakay LK75. Known for its blend of functionality and aesthetics, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Gamakay LK75 sports a sleek, space-themed look that immediately grabs attention. The keyboard features a 75% layout, which means it's compact without sacrificing usability. The top mount construction with a PCB and PC plate enhances stability and typing comfort. Despite being primarily ABS plastic, it feels surprisingly premium and durable. I particularly like the inclusion of two sturdy feet underneath, providing multiple typing angles for ergonomic comfort. The magnetic dongle compartment is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you never misplace your Bluetooth dongle. Moving on to the typing experience, the Gamakay LK75 shines. It's one of the quietest keyboards I've tested, thanks to layers of silicone and MDA profile keycaps. These keycaps not only feel great but also offer excellent oil and wear resistance. With a variety of switch options like the tactile Pegasus and linear Phoenix, you can tailor the typing feel to your preference. Whether you're typing up documents or chatting in-game, the LK75 delivers a satisfying tactile response without being overly noisy. For gamers, the LK75 holds its ground admirably. Equipped with responsive Phoenix switches, it handles both quick typing and intense gaming sessions with ease. During my tests in games like Red Dead Redemption 2 and Counter-Strike: Global Offensive, the keyboard proved responsive and accurate, ensuring every key press registered precisely when needed. While not marketed as a hardcore gaming keyboard, its versatility makes it a solid choice for casual to mid-level gaming enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the LK75 is its hot SW appability. This means you can change switches without soldering, perfect for enthusiasts who love to customize their keyboards. The smart knob with an OLED display adds another layer of customization, allowing you to upload images or GIFs for personalization. The companion software enhances this experience further, offering deep customization options for lighting and key mappings across both Windows and macOS. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users might find the smart knob's screen a bit dim, and for certain features, a wired connection is necessary, which might not be ideal for everyone. In conclusion, the Gamakay LK75 stands out as a top contender in the mechanical keyboard market. Its blend of aesthetics, functionality, and performance makes it a compelling choice. For anyone looking to upgrade their typing or gaming setup, whether you're a typist, gamer, or both, the LK75's thoughtful design and feature set make it a keyboard worth considering. That wraps up our review today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.